President, just a very quick manifestation. For the record, there was no intention of maligning any individual. In the manifestation we said earlier during the committee hearing of the Blue Ribbon Committee, wala pong personalan. Gaya ng nabanggit ng butihing senador, wala po tayong pinangalanan. Humihingi tayo ng unawa. Dahil bago pa nung hearing na yon, tayo po ay humurap sa judiciary. At doon din na tinalakay at pinag-usapan ang problema ng conviction rates, particular ng Sandigan Bayan. 47% ang conviction rates ng Sandigan Bayan. Ibig sabihin sa bawat dalawang kaso, isa absuelto. That was the context, Mr. President, of our manifestation earlier. There was no intention of maligning any senator with that manifestation. For the record, Mr. President, and again, humihingi tayo ng unawa kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Wala pong personalan yung ating earlier manifestation. I hope he will understand.